Whenever we contemplate the sea, we tend to think of its huge power, its crashes and movement. If water froze between the crevices of the rocks around me, they could easily break into pieces, as the volume of frozen water is bigger than that of liquid water. But we often forget the power of steam. As any other gas, steam has the capacity to make pressure in all directions, and that allows it to behave in a way nor ice nor water does.
We can see the three states coexisting in this simple demonstration. Due to the water's low thermal conductivity, the heat takes longer to get to the ice. Convection also contributes to prevent warm water from reaching the ice. Finally, water evaporates on the surface, and it's this steam which will allow us to carry out an attractive experiment. We pour a small quantity of water in a round flask, and then we put a lid on top with a thin capillary tube. The tube will be used to let the air out and the liquid in when the time comes. When it reaches boiling point, the steam pressure equals atmospheric pressure. As it gets warmer and warmer, steam starts to push the air in the flask and the tube. Now we'll see what happens when we put the end of the tube inside a glass of colored water. As we remove the flask from its heat source, the steam starts to condense quickly, which makes the gas pressure drop progressively. The end of the tube is in contact with the atmospheric pressure, which does not drop, so the liquid is pushed up through the tube. All the liquid is transported from the glass to the flask in a power battle to equal pressures, which results in this fountain. It is striking to see how the enormous power of atmospheric pressure, which was able to lift a mass of almost 1 kilo, more than half a meter high, has been defeated by a few grams of water heated to boiling points. This is physics. It's where I wanna be. I wake up in the morning and open up my eyes. First thing I'll see is my lover. Honey, let's not go to work today, 'cause all I do is long to get out my flute and your guitar and feel it's longer to get to the ice. Conductivity. And just stay right here with you, just to fill our day.